Hello, good morning. This is going to be Life of the Beauty articles. I just woke up a few moments ago. I took my shower, washed myself, and I decided to create this content. So this is going to be a shout out to oil and gas companies that are published on my website, Black Oil, and on Ekene Patience.com/oil and gas. So I published ExxonMobil, Chevron, NMPC, Resonance Oil and Gas. I published Total Energies and Black and I see the WordPress of them. So I hope you guys like my tutorials, my student mentoring, freelance care videos, and Chit chat. Hope you're happy to work with me. Do support my Fiverr and upwork gigs today. Thanks so much for listening. Have a good day. Bye. Hello, good day. My name is Ekene Patience. This is going to be a video of Life of a Beauty IT Consultant. I'm going to share with you some of my current beauty items. So I like to use this product from Dove. It's a very good product for skincare regimen. Highly recommended. You can buy this item from Med Plus. In Nigeria, I have Med Plus in Lagos, in Owerri, Asaba, and several other cities. Shop from Med Plus today. Thank you. Hi guys, these are the favorite items I like to wash my body with. It's also from Palmas. I also like to brush my teeth with this item. I like to use a sponge for washing my body as well. Hi guys, I've just finished washing myself with this Dove shower gel. I'm going to brush my teeth with this Oral-B. I'm going to use this toothbrush from Oral-B. So just turn it on like this, pushing the button like this. So it's very good toothbrush for brushing the teeth. So my current favorite perfume. That was of tinting.